Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to do our unboxing and our review of this Aolon Watch Curve 3. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here a new product from Aolon. This is their Watch Curve 3. And this is the box guys. So at the back, so we have here some specifications. So it has screen size, which is 1.93 inch. The screen resolution is 240 by 296, and the waterproof rating it's IP68. So without further ado guys, let's check this one out. Okay, so Aolon branding, and I really like the Aolon's how do I say, their packaging. And we have here the manual. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can actually refer to the manual. Okay, and keep striving um line here. What's inside? So we have here the charging cable here, and we have here now the watch itself. So take a look at that. So we have here on the right, we have here the crown, and this button here, and on the left speaker grill, and at the back so we have here the charging pins. So we have here the Aolon strap here, and as you can see guys, here the bezels, and it's really curved. Yes, the screen size. So let's turn it on. So we have here, okay, we have here the watch faces that you can actually change by using the crown here. And when you swipe down, so you have here the watch features and the shortcuts. Okay, swipe to the right, you have here the shortcuts as well, and the widgets when you swipe to the left. Okay, so let's check the features. So we have here connect, daily activities. Okay, what else? We have here the sports record, heart rate. Okay, so we have here the sensors. So you can see the sensors are lighting up, so you can check that one out. And we have here the sleep, also the blood oxygen level, the voice assistant, music, weather, breathing training, messages, remote phone, photograph, search phone, women's health, utilities. So we have your alarm clock, calendar, flashlight, calculator, and timer. And for the settings, we have here the menu style, language, display, bedside lamp. So it has a lot of features guys. And by the way, this is the application, so you just have to scan that one for you to set the time. Okay, don't worry, I'll upload a tutorial on how to do that one. And yes, so far I really like this one here, our watch curve 3, and it has many watch faces you guys. Yes, and I'm gonna wear it, and let's see. Right, so this is what it looks like. Yes, and what's nice about this watch guys is that it's really affordable, and if you're a student or if you just want an affordable watch and you don't have those expensive watch, then I can totally recommend you this Aolon Watch Curve 3. All right, I've actually used this one guys for a couple of days, and actually the battery is really holding up, and with the features that we have, it's really bang for the buck. Okay, and with the Aolon brand, you can never go wrong. I'm actually reviewing their products, and they don't really fail me, and I really like how the branding of the Aolon as well as the pricing, and it's really for the public out there. Okay, so if you really like this watch curve 3, you guys, you can check on the link in the description box, or you can just tap on our link just in our video. Okay, and if you have any questions, guys, just comment down below. And if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in our next video.